Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here, and let me tell you, the AI world is about to get real interesting. We got a title fight brewing, folks. Google Gemini versus ChatGPT. This ain't just some exhibition match, this is the big leagues. In one corner, we got Google's latest and greatest, Gemini. This AI is fresh out the lab, packing some serious heat, ready to take on the world. In the other corner, the reigning champ, ChatGPT. It's been dominating the game, spitting out text like it's nobody's business. This is more than just a tech showdown though. This is about the future of, well, everything. These AIs can write code, translate languages, even write scripts for your next YouTube video. No, seriously. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's break down this epic AI showdown. We're talking next level tech here, people. But don't worry, I got you covered. We're gonna dive deep into what makes these AIs tick, how they stack up against each other, and what it all means for you. Let's do this! Alright, let's talk about the new kid on the block, Google Gemini. This AI is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and they didn't come to play. Google's been working on this thing for a while now, and they finally unleashed it on the world in month year if available. Now Gemini ain't just some rebranded version of Google Assistant, nah, this is a whole new beast. We're talking about a multimodal AI. That means it can understand and process different types of information like text, images, audio, you name it. This is a big deal because it means Gemini can interact with the world in a more human-like way. Imagine showing Gemini a picture and asking it to write a story about it, or having it analyze a video and summarize the key points. This is the kind of stuff that used to be the realm of science fiction, but Gemini is making it a reality. So, how did Google build an AI this powerful? Well, it all starts with the data. See, Gemini was trained on a massive data set of text and code, like seriously massive. We're talking about billions of words and lines of code. But it's not just about the quantity of data, it's also about the quality. Google made sure to feed Gemini a diverse diet of information, from news articles and books to code repositories and scientific papers. This is what allows Gemini to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts and questions. Think of it like this. If ChatGPT is like a student who aced their English exams, Gemini is like the valedictorian who also won first place in the science fair and wrote the school play. It's got skills for days. But enough about Gemini for now. Let's check out the competition. In the other corner, we got the champ, the one and only ChatGPT. This AI took the world by storm when OpenAI launched it back in November 2022. I mean, seriously, it was everywhere. ChatGPT was the first to really show the world what AI could do. People were using it to write poems, generate code, even have full-blown conversations. It was like having a super smart friend who was always down to chat. But ChatGPT's success wasn't just due to hype. This AI is powered by some seriously impressive technology, specifically a type of deep learning called a transformer network. This is what allows ChatGPT to understand and generate human-like text, making it feel like you're talking to a real person. Section 5, ChatGPT's secret sauce, words upon words. So how did ChatGPT become such a wordsmith? Well, like Gemini, it all starts with the data. OpenAI trained ChatGPT on a massive data set of text and code, essentially feeding it the entire internet. Well, almost. But ChatGPT's training didn't stop there. OpenAI also used a technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, to fine-tune its abilities. Basically, they had humans rate ChatGPT's responses, and the AI used that feedback to get better and better over time. This is like having a personal writing coach constantly giving you feedback and helping you improve. No wonder ChatGPT became such a beast. But now that we've met our contenders, let's see how they stack up against each other. Section 6. Tale of the tape, Gemini versus ChatGPT. Alright folks, it's time for the main event. Let's break down the tale of the tape, Gemini versus ChatGPT. Both of these AIs are incredibly powerful, but they have their own strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT, as we know, is a master of language. It excels at generating creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and so on. It can also answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Gemini, on the other hand, is more of an all-rounder. It can do everything ChatGPT can do, but it can also process and understand other types of information, like images and audio. This gives Gemini a broader range of capabilities, making it more versatile. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like a specialized tool, like a high-end chef's knife. It's amazing at what it does, but it has a specific purpose. Gemini is more like a Swiss Army knife. It can handle a wider range of tasks, making it a more versatile tool overall. Section 7. Real-world Rumble, Gemini, and ChatGPT in action. But enough with the technical jargon, let's see these AIs in action. Imagine you're a student working on a history project. You could ask ChatGPT to write an essay on the American Revolution, and it would deliver a well-written and informative piece. Now imagine you're working on a more creative project, like a graphic novel about the American Revolution. You could show Gemini a series of historical images and ask it to write captions or dialogue for each panel. Gemini's ability to process both text and images would make it the perfect tool for this job. See, both AIs have their own unique strengths. It all depends on the specific task at hand. Section 8. Gemini for the pros, developer's dream or nightmare. Now let's talk about how these AIs can be used by different groups of people. First up, developers. For you coders out there, Gemini could be a game changer. Imagine being able to generate complex code snippets just by describing what you want to achieve. Gemini's ability to understand and process both text and code makes it a powerful tool for software development. It could help developers write code faster, debug errors more efficiently, and even generate new ideas for apps and software. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some developers might see AI like Gemini as a threat, fearing it could replace human programmers altogether, but hey, that's a conversation for another day. Section 9. ChatGPT for business, automating the world, one word at a time. Next up, business owners. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for automating tasks, improving customer service, and even boosting your marketing efforts. Imagine being able to generate personalized email campaigns, create engaging social media content, or even power a chatbot that can handle customer inquiries 24/7. ChatGPT can do all of this and more. It's like having a whole team of marketers, customer service reps, and content creators all rolled into one AI-powered package. Of course, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind, like making sure ChatGPT is used responsibly and doesn't spread misinformation or create biased content. Section 10. AI for everyone, Gemini and ChatGPT in our pockets. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a tech whiz or a business mogul to use these AIs. Both Gemini and ChatGPT have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine using Gemini to get personalized recommendations for movies, books, or restaurants based on your tastes and preferences. Or using ChatGPT to translate languages in real time, making it easier to communicate with people from all over the world. The possibilities are practically endless. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and entertainer all rolled into one. Section 11, the future of AI, a double-edged sword? So, there you have it, folks. Google Gemini and ChatGPT, two incredibly powerful AIs with the potential to change the world as we know it. But like any powerful technology, it's important to approach AI with both excitement and caution. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. It can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and even connect people in new and meaningful ways. On the other hand, there are risks to consider. AI could be used to spread misinformation, create biased algorithms, or even automate jobs out of existence. It's up to us, the humans behind the technology, to ensure that AI is used for good. So, let's embrace the potential of AI while also being mindful of its limitations. After all, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. And with AI as our tool, the possibilities are truly limitless. Peace out.